An even function is always going to end in the same direction. So what I'm saying is f of x equals x squared, x to the fourth, x to the sixth, and so on. What's going to happen with this function is it's going to start and end in the same direction. Now, the further you get up, like x to the fourth and x to the sixth, you're going to get some curves, so you're going to get stuff that happens like this. But again, they're both going to end pointing in the up direction. Now, the opposite of that, so f of x equals negative x squared, negative x to the fourth, negative x to the sixth, and so on, is going to start down and end down. Again, you may have something that looks like this, but the direction is going to both point in the same direction if it's an even function. If it's an odd function, for example, f of x equals x to the third, what's going to happen is it's going to start down and end up. X to the fifth, x to the seventh, and so on. Another way just to even look at that, x to the first power is an odd function. It's a positive odd function, so remember, positive always goes in this direction. If I had a little stick figure, he's going to be walking up. So it's going to start down and end up. Now let's do the opposite. If I have a negative x to the third, a negative x to the fifth, a negative x to the seventh, and so on, it's going to start up and end down. Another way to look at that is negative x. Negative x is a straight line that starts up and ends down because our little stick figure can walk down. It is important to realize if you have an even or odd function when you're starting to graph these bigger rational functions, so we can check for understanding to make sure that we are ending up and down in the same direction or the opposite direction.